So, you've encountered a problem with organizing a search in a C++ program within the C++ builder environment. The issue is related to the way the text is handled, particularly when dealing with line breaks in a RichEdit component. The code you initially provided was not working correctly, as it did not account for these line breaks and had errors in updating offsets during the search process. Now, diving into the solution, the corrected code tackles the issue effectively. By adjusting the line breaks within the text before searching, using Adjust Line Breaks, the offsets are aligned correctly. The search offset is appropriately updated after each search result, ensuring the next search starts from the right position. The code then proceeds to highlight the search text in red as intended. Continuing with the solution, an even better approach is suggested. By utilizing the TRichEdit, FindText method, the search process becomes more efficient and reliable. This method removes the need to manipulate the raw text directly, focusing solely on searching within the RichEdit component. The code outline demonstrates how to search for the text, update the highlighting, and proceed to the next occurrence until all instances are highlighted in red. In summary, we've addressed the problem of organizing a search within text and highlighted the found elements using C++ in the C++ builder environment. By understanding the nuances of managing line breaks and utilizing the appropriate methods for text search, the solution provided ensures an accurate and efficient search process. Well, that wraps up our guide for tackling text searches in C++ programs within the C++ builder environment. Remember, stay curious, keep coding, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Who knows, you might just find that elusive bug you've been searching for.